We have some breaking news as the US government has just sent $2.1 billion worth of Bitcoin that they seized from Silk Road to the Coinbase exchange earlier this morning. Now, this was first reported from ZachXBT, as he tweeted out that over 30.1 thousand Bitcoin from Silk Road was just sent over to Coinbase. You can see that they sent a test transfer of 0.001 Bitcoin, or around $69, just to make sure that it got to the wallet. And then 15 minutes ago, they sent 1,999 Bitcoin to the same wallet address. So at the time of recording this video, they haven't sent the remainder of the 30,000 Bitcoin that they have, but will most likely be doing this soon. Now, if you've been in the crypto space for a while, you understand that the only reason the US government would be sending these Bitcoins to Coinbase is most likely to sell the Bitcoins on the open market. And there are some people that would like to play devil's advocate and say, well, what if they're going to be swapping it to Ethereum or USDC? And the answer is it's probably not going to happen. If you were here in 2022, you remember that the US government actually sold a large portions of the Bitcoin that they seized from the Silk Road exchange. You can see when we look over at CoinDesk that the US government made a large sale in March of 2023 when they sold 9,861 Bitcoin for around $216 million at the time. And at the time of recording this video, they've transferred around 2,000 Bitcoin, which is a lot smaller than what they transferred in 2023. But because Bitcoin is much higher, it's around $65,000 today, the price that they're going to be selling is pretty much the same. Now, the US government still owns about 30,000 Bitcoin that they seized from Silk Road, and it doesn't look like they're going to be offloading this at once, which is good for the cryptocurrency space. And although Bitcoin dropped in price significantly over the past 24 hours, yesterday we saw close to a $70,000 Bitcoin, and today Bitcoin's at $65,335. I'm led to believe that this major sale from the US government would cause more bleeding in the cryptocurrency market. Now, crypto is still looking very, very strong, and there's obviously some bullish sentiments in the markets heading into April, as we understand that the Bitcoin halving is now 17 days away. We have never seen a Bitcoin all-time high before the Bitcoin halving. Obviously, that came last month when Bitcoin had an all-time high over $73,000 per Bitcoin. And we are in the 4-year cycle, and many experts believe that we will see the peak of the bull run and all-time highs for Bitcoin and a lot of our favorite altcoins in the middle of 2025. So I'll be covering this story closely here on YouTube and on X, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and follow me on X if you don't yet. And the latest update here is that the US government has sent around 2,000 Bitcoin to Coinbase, most likely for selling. And that's out of their 30,000 plus Bitcoin that they still have after seizing these funds from Silk Road. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments. And as always, we'll see you on the next episode.